Hello, please take 2 minutes to check out our business and find out why we are the best.
Hello and welcome to another video on internet marketing. And the subject today is find the best affiliate marketing system. Now, there are basically three things to remember. First of all, yes, you've got to get the right piece of software to be able to run your system, the best system. And you are so lucky because I have found it for you. Hello and welcome. My name is Bill Morrow, and I've spent 9 years or so looking for this elusive piece of software. I have tried so many in my time. Some work, some don't work, some are total rubbish, and I've spent money hand over fist. But now I found the perfect piece of software. It's a system which from beginning to end gives you all the information you require to get yourself up and running with an internet marketing business, which is what you need. Certainly in this day and age, it's one of the things we can all do with a work from home business. Now, setting up a business is quite an undertaking. It's not just a sort of thing that you flip a book open and, all right, I'll start a business. It's a little bit more than that. You need background information. You need dedication to what you're going to do. And you need some income so that you can spend it on your business, because business do not come from nothing. You have to invest in a business to make income come into the business. I have had all types of businesses. I have shops. I ran a shop. I then started working on my own many years. And now I do internet marketing. So old blokes tend to sit down and do things. This is where it is. Don't worry, you're in the right place. So I can recommend this software. I am using it and I am making it work for me. It is excellent. It's first class. Following that, we then got the information has got to be put onto a computer. So you need a home computer to be able to work at. And again, you can work at your speed, because everything in this system is all done on video. So you watch a video, you go back, check it, do what the video is telling you in that section, and then you proceed to the next section. And so it goes on. And by the time you've come to the end of the course, you have a fully fledged working business. And it's as simple as that. And that's the way it's done. And it's done so well that you will find no problems with interpreting, no problems with fancy words and stuff like that. It's all done so that it's quite easy to understand. I can understand it. So if I can do it, you can do it. So what I want you to do now is, the only thing that comes or doesn't come with the package is, in fact, the will to succeed. That comes from you. You have got to be dedicated to finish the course. You have got to be dedicated to complete and get everything working. Simple as that. So we've got software, we've got a computer, and we've got you. So that combination can be a perfect working combination. And it certainly works for me. So I am now offering it to you to do exactly the same thing. Now, I will give you this guarantee that you come and join on my list and start working the system, and then I will continue to help you to get through the system, so that you will always have someone else to be able to, yes, you have people in Facebook chats and so forth, but you have me, the bloke who's actually done it, and come down and help you out without any problem. So click on the link below to get onto my list and get more information about the system, how it works, and the way it should be run. So see you later on.
So do yourself and your business a favor. Join today. You have all the facts, so click the link below to get started today.